Yo, what's
what's
up?
up?
So we are today in Handara Gate Club.
Golf resort in
Golf resort.
Bedugul area.
I said gate because at the front is the famous gate and always everybody talking about the gate, but nobody talk about the resort. And deep inside is actually huge land of the golf course, hotel, and it's
We were
beautiful here actually. Never been here
Yes.
before actually.
We were planning to have a picnic like that,
Like the
but
people behind.
unfortunately, already full book. And then so we just decided to have a coffee there. You see that, you know, when it's weekends, always full book. So yeah. So before we were, planning to go to Bedugul, and then unfortunately, when in the parking area were, so many cars, and then with traffic there, because obviously it's on the weekend. So then we decided to go to the Handara because, we just want to have a fresh air, like, with the trees, good oxygen. So yeah, then we decided, and behind me actually there is a golf tournament. I don't know there is a golf tournament today, but yeah, this is a golf resort. Basically, it's very huge resort.
Very huge. And we are so happy we can take a little bit of the fresh oxygen because this is like a central Bali obviously, and it's a little bit high, it's a little bit cool. Check this out, these mountains over there, and also a few things about this hotel. Hotel is famous for the golfers, but it's also family friendly. This is not paid endorsement for any kind of anything, but many people coming here passing the road, they go only make a picture of this Handara gate, which is beautiful, but nobody actually knows the hotel like this is inside. So something new today, definitely something new.
So later on we will show you maybe when we check out, so how it is the famous Handara gate. So yeah, just like what Damian said, maybe you just pass because of that's the most Instagrammable iconic, whenever you are in Bali, you have to be there in that what is it called, Instagrammable spot. But
especially when you are coming to Ulundanu Beratan temple, so next door is this gate, but this hotel is like 1 kilometer deep inside. So
okay, so we are in the Baji. Ooh, look at this handsome guy. Escort us to go to the most beautiful places in the Handara, or they have a kids playground.
all right, we little bit messed up.
We are just too overexcited, like this place is really rich with oxygen. So yeah, we are so happy to be here. And then this guy just escort us to go to the safest place in terms of, because that's obviously golf area, and then they are afraid that we will got bumped with the golf.
And they don't want to pay the insurance after that. That's super. It's okay. Anyway, behind us is also the hotel. Like they have like houses, bungalows, so you can stay there if you want. And the prices, if you are interested, are something about $50 American or even less. However, it's not paid endorsement. We just want to show you something new.
Wow, this is a very nice message actually that can, teach your children. It's about how important tree is. Like this one, I alone absorb 22 kilogram of CO2 in a year, and all I ask in return is that it's beautiful. And in the playground also, I don't know, I just really like the message that they put in every tree to educate the children. Because I am an educator, maybe I can adopt, the message that I can transfer later to my children. Like this one, adopt me. They say my parents were killed by something called development. This is serious things, because many things nowadays regarding to the development. You have no future without me. Let me live.
Okay, and there is another one.
So I clean the air you breathe. I can do that for your children too if you let me live.
Oh, that's so
It's
beautiful,
very
isn't
nice
it?
message actually.
There are some golfers. I think my friend Desmond used to play here many times. However, I'm not playing golf, but he's playing almost every weekend, and they are bungalows. Beautiful here. And there are some golfers coming here also. All right, here are some rabbits inside. and we're gonna explain you.
Well, actually that in Bedugul area, it's famous for the rabbits farm, you know, like rabbits easily grows here because of the weather. And it's not regarding, I don't know, I don't want to mention about animal welfare, but yeah, I think that they really fed them well.
This is how it is, not us to judge it,
Yeah.
right?
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark flying in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
Okay, so this is what I mentioned as the famous Handara gate. You see, many people already in line to make a picture. And yeah, this is how it is, the power of Instagram. And yeah, we will show you what is it called. Damian also will fly with his drone. Alright, so this is how I told you about the famous Instagrammable spot whenever you are going to Ulun Danu Bratan. Just like behind me, the people are standing in line to take turn to make a pictures. This guy bringing drone, Damian bringing drone, and in front of us, this guy also bringing drone. I'm gonna show you how is this place when it's normal time. I believe like, you know, more and more people here. And then let's see how is, of course, the scanning, and then that's the pricing, and also they have a package like what we have before, afternoon tea. And look at this, people already making pictures.
Alright, so that was the situation in the hotel, and now we are in the different place, close to the Ulundanu Beratan temple, but not in the temple, obviously. This is like a some small
Chocolate house.
chocolate house, restaurant, something like this. And
Yeah, so we decided to have a chocolate because it's so tempting from outside, and Damian already hungry. So yeah, that's right.
we will see.
Okay, so because this place has a beautiful garden, they said rainbow garden. So, and many people are here to make a picture. So let's see how it is at the back.
We will see there are some buildings and buildings here around.
Oh, beautiful flowers.
And another family-friendly place, I guess.
It's very beautiful garden, and look at the flowers, so colorful. And yeah, this place is family friendly. For those of you who have been asking us, so where is the family friendly place? This is how it is. Okay, so this is my hot chocolate. I like chocolate sweets. And then I don't know, this one churros. I just put it inside.
And then, boom.
Boom.
Explode. No?
Oh, look at
Melted?
this one melted. Ooh la la, so good.
Looks good.
Macam ni guys, selamat makan. So look at this beautiful place, and Damian is enjoying his chocolate churros. And there, exactly there is beautiful lake. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Bedugul. Maybe new things for you.
Something
regarding-
new, definitely. Today's this weekend we show you new places, new things. I hope so you enjoyed. And
Yeah, I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
ya.
Bye.